Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on PlayStation 4. To begin your adventure, you will need a PlayStation 4 console and a stable internet connection for digital purchases and updates. Ensure your system software is up to date for optimal performance. A PlayStation Network account is essential for accessing the game and its online features, allowing you to connect with friends and explore vast worlds together. Acquiring Minecraft is straightforward. You can purchase the game digitally from the PlayStation Store, which offers immediate download to your console. Alternatively, a physical disc version is available from various retailers, providing a tangible copy. The game itself requires approximately 150 megabytes of storage space, with additional content potentially needing more. Choose the method that best suits your preference. Once installed, launching Minecraft is simple. Navigate to your PlayStation 4 home screen and select the Minecraft icon. From the main menu, choose Play to either create a brand new world or load an existing one. You can then begin exploring diverse biomes, mining for valuable resources, crafting essential tools, and building incredible structures. The possibilities for creativity and adventure are truly endless. Minecraft on PlayStation 4 offers robust multiplayer options. You can easily join your friends' worlds or invite them to yours for cooperative building and exploration. The game also features the Minecraft Marketplace, where you can discover and purchase unique skins, texture packs, and custom worlds to enhance your experience. Furthermore, cross-platform play is fully supported, allowing you to connect with players on other Bedrock Edition platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.